ओके करिश्मा, सबसे पहले तो 1 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स के लिए कांग्रेचुलेशन।
Thank you so much. I'm so excited.
इसके बारे में?
Thank you so much for all of you guys to give me so much love, so much support. अगर I feel लास्ट ईयर मैंने अमित खन्ना के साथ शूट किया था और मेरा 50,000 फॉलोअर्स थे एंड आई थिंक आफ्टर दैट आई गॉट रागनी के बाद यू नो फॉलोअर्स बढ़ते गए एंड आई टुडे आई एम in 1 million. I'm so excited, I'm so happy about it and I want to thank all my fans for all the love and support they've given me.
Okay, इतनी जल्दी इतना प्यार मिला है जो क्या कहना चाहेंगे इसके बारे में आप?
I'm so lucky. I think no, I never thought. I actually never thought when I was doing Pavitra Rishta. I was like, पता नहीं मतलब I'm gonna probably get where but I don't know. People have given me so much love in this last 2 years, and I'm so grateful. And I think I have so much gratitude for it, and I just feel I'm so lucky.
Okay, इसी के साथ में फोटोशूट के बारे में बताइए, किस चीज़ के लिए ये फोटोशूट कर रहे हैं?
First of all, I wanted to shoot for 1 million, and I also shot the Kiki video, and it's for a luxury magazine, and the theme was food and beverages, and that's why you can see I'm wearing all funky and all colorful clothes. So yeah.
Okay, किस तरीके के शूट्स कॉन्सेप्ट्स आप ज़्यादा एंजॉय करती हैं?
Anything fun. Just I mean, I also like the whole sexy bit and where I don't know where people like bold, but I think I enjoy being sexy. I think different kind of things. We did Padmavati, which also got featured, so it was different. So anything that is new, because एक चीज़ करके you get bored. So something new every time is fun. Okay, so this was food and beverages. So we were playing with noodles, pizzas and yeah. So
okay, फोटोशूट की अगर बात करिए तो सबसे पहले दिमाग में क्या आता है? कुछ ऐसी कोई याद, कोई मेमोरीज कुछ हैं कुछ?
I did my first photo shoot when I was 17 back in college. I remember जब मुझे किसी ने पूछा था कि आप मॉडलिंग करना चाहेंगे ना, उस मैं I was studying BBA, I was studying business. I was like नहीं, मैं नहीं. तो like you should try, you have a good face. और उस टाइम से I started shooting and उसके बाद I've just been loving it.
Okay, इसी के साथ में क्या चेंजेस होने वाले हैं आज मतलब क्या शूट करने वाले हैं उसके बारे में बताइए.
I told you it's for a luxury magazine. It's
ये तो मतलब कितने looks होने वाले हैं आज?
I did like around 7 looks already. Oh. Yeah. So me and Amit are quite fast. So we started shooting at 11:30, and by 2 we did like 6 looks. So.
Okay, इसी के साथ में काफ़ी प्रोजेक्ट्स भी हैं, उनके बारे में कुछ बताइए जो आने वाले हैं.
So Hum is coming on 30th July on All Balaji app. You guys should really watch it. It's with Kushal Tandon and Ridhima Pandit. And the next thing is Comedy Circus. I'll be doing comedy. And the third thing is 14th September my movie is releasing, Hotel Milan. So you guys should go and watch that movie as well, because it's so different. Like everybody is like bold character. She's so bold, but I think in that I'm playing a UP, person who's born and brought up in Kanpur. So it's a different character altogether. Comedy is so different. So I don't see myself only doing bold things. I think I need to break that. But also I don't shy away from it because I am sexy and I know it.
Okay, इसी के साथ में जैसे कि हमने आपको बोल्ड सीन्स करते हुए देखा है एंड कॉमेडी भी अब आप करने वाले हैं एंड और वेब सीरीज भी आपने करा है. सो आप सबसे ज़्यादा कहाँ पे खुद को कंफर्टेबल मानती हैं?
I think I really enjoyed doing, so I've lived in Bihar for 3 years and I really enjoyed doing the UP dialect, so उसमें बहुत films I really like. I've done only one film and I did Pyar Ka Panchnama too. I just like how they're shot and the way the thing is treated. So, but also if the character is good, I also enjoyed Ragni a lot. Like it was so much fun. So I just think comedy I'm still learning. It's something which is very new and it's not that doesn't come to me easily, but I'm still like working and learning, because I think sexy, comedy, sadness, it's like acting is very wide and it's very small part of it. So I'm still learning and want to be ace at all of them.
Okay, कॉमेडी सर्कस की बात करिए तो बहुत ज़्यादा कंपटीशन होने वाला है, बहुत सारे लोग आने वाले हैं, तो आपने किस तरह की तैयारी कर ली है उसके लिए?
So मेरे पार्टनर है सिद्धार्थ और मुबीन and they are the best. So उनके साथ I sit with them on readings, I sit and learn my dialogues, or also because they are so much like they're so good with their work. I think I just learn from them and I've learned actually so much. My sense of humor have become so much better after being with them, because वो लोग आप कुछ भी बोलो वो कुछ भी बोलेंगे and you will actually laugh. So I feel I'm getting paid to laugh. I go there, I sit and I'm like just watching them and I'm laughing. So it's a great job.
ओके इसी के साथ में होटल मैनेजर की अगर बात करी जाए तो काफ़ी एक कंट्रोवर्शियल एक ये टॉपिक है एंटी रोमियो जिस तरीके से मैंने पोस्टर में देखा मुझे मालूम पड़ा
एंटी रोमियो स्क्वाड yeah so you know in Kanpur it happens that you know when the couple is out you know these people come and they hit the couple sitting out, so it's a story about how this guy wants to change it, but obviously you know it's corrupt, so you know it's political based. It is funny, you know, you'll see Zishan Kadri who was Gangs of Wasseypur, so he's quite funny. There's Rajesh Sharma ji who's also playing a very good role and he's also funny. Zakir Hussain ji, so they're all such you know great actors, and it was so lovely to work with them because I had just done Ragini when I shot for the film, and उनके साथ काम करके I've learned a lot. Even Kunal and even Jaideep Palawat, they're all great.
इसी के साथ में कहा जा रहा है कि रागनी का भी एक और फ्रेंचाइज बनने वाला है वर्ल्ड वाला जी में, उसमें उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे, इसमें आप नजर आएंगी?
I don't know yet. I haven't got a call from Ekta ma'am.
ओके और इसी के साथ में तेरा घाटा की अगर बात करी जाए तो उसको भी बहुत ज़्यादा
तेरा घाटा, I love the song and it's become such a big hit, and congratulations to Gajendra because it's his hard work, you know, it was his song, and I also again feel lucky that you know I'm part of it, and yeah.
And बहुत ज़्यादा musically and
oh yeah, the musicals are funny. Some of them are very good and some of them are extremely funny. Yeah, so I'm happy. It's 75 million views now.
ओके करिश्मा, अगर इसी के साथ में बात करी है कोई ऐसा रोल ऐसा किरदार जो आपको अभी तक मौका ना मिला हो और जो आप प्ले करना चाहें, वो क्या मतलब?
I want to play. So I have read a lot about Meena Kumari. I've seen a lot of films of her, and I think there is some kind of connection that I have with her. I don't know what. So I think if there's a biopic on Meena Kumari, I would love to be that, because I think you know her life journey from what the day she was born, you know, her father left her and you know ants had eaten her up, and then he decides to go back, gets her back, she starts working at the age of 4, so she has an interesting life, you know, so I want to probably play a role of Meena Kumari.
ओके इसी के साथ में लास्ट में क्या कहना चाहेंगे अपने फैंस से आप?
Thank you so much for so much love and for 1 million followers, and please keep loving me and keep watching my stuff, and I'm always here for you guys. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.